Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to show you how to land on the front page of Google using search engine optimization. And I'm going to show you how easy this could be done with the use of proper tools and a little investigation. With that being said, let's get into it. So before we get into the actionable steps that you're going to take to increase your SEO by investigating your competitors' websites, we need to do some homework before we do that. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to download a plugin called Minion SEO. Minion SEO is going to help us investigate our competitors' websites to see what's working and what's not. So when you come to SEO Minion, you'll see on the top right corner, download now or download to Chrome, something along those lines. I have removed from Google because I've already downloaded this plugin. Once again, I'm going to show you how this all works once we start investigating our competitor websites in just a moment. But for now, download SEO Minion. And then our next step is to do our keyword research. Now, if you've never done keyword research before, I'm going to link in the description below a video where I discuss how I find target keywords using the Ahrefs website. Now, you don't have to use Ahrefs. You can use a multitude of programs that are out there. However, this is what I use. What I want to write about is I want to help out my readers with their Pinterest accounts, and more specifically, I want to help them make money on Pinterest. So this is the key phrase that I found using Ahrefs. It has a difficulty of 12 out of 100 and a search volume of 1.2 thousand in the United States through the Google search engine. So this is something that I'm interested in. So I'm going to copy this keyword, and now it's time to start investigating what my competitors are doing for this keyword. So we're going to go back to Google Chrome. I'm going to paste in my target phrase that I am looking for. Some things to note before we go into investigating our competitors. So when we search up our key phrase, Google will search through its analytics and it will find what works best for the phrase that we have pasted in here. However, I don't want you to pay attention to the ads because this URL is paying Google to be on the front page or on the first page for this target phrase. That's not what we're looking for. We're also not looking for things like YouTube videos or products that are coming from, for instance, Amazon or Walmart. What we're looking at is the organic search engine optimization that some of the blog posts that you can see here have done. So let's get into it. We're going to look at how to make money on Pinterest in 2020. This looks like a competitor blogging website that we can analyze. So first things first is we're going to open up our new plugin, SEO Minion. We're going to go to Analyze On Page SEO. Now there's a couple of metrics that I want you to pay attention to that I'm going to bring it all together near the end. So first off is the words, the amount of words that are within this web page. The second is the level 2 headings that each website of our competitors use. Keep in mind that level 1 headings, yes, it's important. However, you should not have more than one level 1 heading within your blog. So we're just going to be focusing on level 2 to see how many level 2 headings our competitors are getting. Why? Because when we compare all of our competitor websites, we're going to see what Google is interested when it comes to this target key phrase, which is how to make money on Pinterest, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to count how many level 2 headings are within this blog website. So looks like we have So we have 24 level 2 headings within this blog website. So first metric, the amount of words that are on the website. Second metric, how many level 2 headings. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a data sheet. We're going to write down on a piece of paper. We're going to go words and level 2 headings. So level 2 headings, we have 24. The amount of words that is it within this article, 13,632. You'll see why this is important in just a moment. We're going to go back to this competitor website and close that down. And we're going to see how many times does this website look up the target key phrase, or correction, how many times does this blog article mention our target key phrase within. So I'm going to go Control F, which pops up this little search bar. So Control F, we're going to paste in our target key phrase here. And you can see that 15 times that this article mentions how to make money on Pinterest. You can see it's all highlighted here. We're going to go back to our Excel spreadsheet, and number of mentions for the keyword, 15. Now we're going to repeat this process over and over again to applicable blog websites that are currently in the top rankings for Google. So we're going to go to the next one, how to make money with Pinterest. And we're going to repeat the process. We're going to open up our plugin, SEO Minion, analyze on-page SEOs. We have 6,170 words for the second one. And we're going to count the amount of level 2 headings. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 headings. Once again, you do not want to count the level 1 headings. And then we're going to exit out of our plugin and see how many times our target key phrase is found within this article. So once again, Control F, and we're going to search through. So it looks like there's only 3 for this one. Back to our spreadsheet, and 3. We're going to repeat this process just one more time. However, whenever you use this practice, I would suggest doing a minimum of the top 10 websites. So how to make money on Pinterest, new blog website, we're going to repeat the process, 1749. With looks like 6 headings there. You can see how this is all done here. And then we're going to look at the target phrase, Control F, 7 times. Okay, once we compile 10 of our competitor websites, what we're going to do is we're going to find the average. We're going to go equals average. And I'm going to scroll, bring this across. So this is just a quick example. However, for you, I would suggest doing 10 websites at a minimum. Using the data you have found, you will know what works and what doesn't. This eliminates the need to do further research because you already know what works. You already can see what Google is prioritizing in their algorithm. So you know for your blog or your article that you're going to be writing about how to make money on Pinterest, you know you're going to have roughly 8 mentions of your target key phrase. You're going to have roughly 7,000 words within your article, and you're going to have about 12 or so level 2 headings. And once again, this is going to be more concrete and more accurate the more investigation you do. So use this as a template, and I guarantee that with some practice, you will get onto the first page of the Google search engine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please help out my channel by hitting that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.